After the income header is created, there will be a new tab up the top called Income Items. Clicking this tab will show you the list of items within this current sales transaction. To add an item, click on the green plus icon. The item type can be either service, stock, or other. The item type will be defaulted to the default sales item type specified in the company settings for finance. If the item type is other, you will select a ledger account to directly account for this item. For service or stock items, you'll need to select an item by clicking on the magnifying glass icon next to the item name field. Notice that there is an extra field called Service Personnel for service items. Let's select a stock item. After selecting a service or stock item, some fields will be auto-populated with values from the product. However, you can overwrite these default values. The gross amount here is exclusive of tax. You will see a GST rate field when creating a new item. The GST rate is defaulted to the rate specified in Finance Setup Tax Rates. If a service or stock item is selected, the GST rate will be defaulted to the sales GST rate specified in the product. If the GST rate specified is greater than 0, then an item tax record will be created automatically upon the creation of the income item. Let's click Create. After the creation of the income item, the GST rate field will disappear. A new tab will appear up the top called Item Tax. In this tab, you can see the list of taxes associated with this item. You can add or delete or edit item tax records from here. This GST item tax record is created from the specified 12% GST rate previously in the income item screen. If the sales status is invoice and you are ready to confirm the transaction, you can do so by clicking on the Post Journal button in the main pop-up window. This will lock the transaction so it will become read-only and will create journal entries for this transaction. Once posted, you can view the journal entries for this transaction by clicking on the View Journal button. That's the end of the sales and income video tutorial. Thanks for watching.